All right, so in this one, they're saying suppose a liter of petrol was sold at 100 and then the price falls down to 50 and the sales volume rose from 7 million liters to 10 million liters. Let's do our formula, which is PED is equals to percentage change in quantity demanded over the percentage change in price. Using the formula, what we have is 10 minus 7 divided by 7 into 100, and the whole thing will be divided by uh, 50 minus 100 divided by 100 into 100. You will get the percentage changes. And so what we get is 42.85 is the rise in the quantity, and the prices have fallen down by 50%. So as a result, what we get is 0.8 minus, and obviously minus we ignore, so it's 0.8, and 0.8 is less than 1. All right, and since the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in the price, change in quantity is smaller, so we'll call it price inelastic. We want to see what's going to happen to the impact on the revenue. So since quantity change is smaller, so the shape of the curve should be steep like that. Okay, you can actually make it more steeper so that you don't end up making mistake in any way, but this is what your price and the quantity is. So since the price is going down again, try to avoid going through with the numbers, okay, even though in this case you have numbers given to you. The fall in the price and a rise in the quantity, I think these arrows can really help understand exactly what happened. If I'm just looking at the graphs, this just clarifies. Okay, if I did not have the number or the context, then a diagram without any arrows, it's not going to be clear to me. So because of the price fall, I lose this area. Because of the increase in quantity, I gain this area. I can clearly see it, that when the price falls, the revenue goes down also. And the impact on revenue is simple. Revenue is price into quantity. We can see that the price have fallen down by 50%, while the quantity has gone up with relatively smaller percentage. Very close, but overall, the revenue is going to go down. Um, Says a second-hand car dealer announces 20% increase in the price due to new custom duties, which resulted in a decrease in quantity demand by 5%. Let's write the formula. PED is equals to percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in price. So the change in quantity demanded is minus 5, and the rise in the price is 20%, giving us minus 0.25. Minus 0.25 is less than the percentage change in price. So in that case, it has to be in elastic because the value is less than 1. So for the graphical interpretation of this, because it's inelastic, the graph has to be steep. And let's do our markings. P O into QO, and the price has risen. So when there is a rise in the price, there's going to be a fall in the quantity demanded. The rise in the price is supposed to be greater, and it is greater, and fall in the quantity. Let's measure through the boxes over here. So there are about 9 boxes in the gain, and there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes in the loss. So just be careful how you're drawing these, because थोड़ी सी भी आपकी इलास्टिसिटी अगर आप चेंज कर दो, थोड़ा सा स्टीपनेस को कम कर दो, तो your answer will actually it's not going to match. So as far as revenue goes, again, अभी तो हम graphical और इसके साथ practice कर रहे हैं. Eventually you need to be able to, on your feet, you should be able to think about it. So price rise is far greater than the fall in the quantity. So overall, the revenue is going to rise.